Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw and color a super cute mermaid. First, I'll draw her big, adorable eyes and a tiny nose. Next, let's add to little ears. On her head, I'll draw a seashell just like this. Doesn't it look cute? Now, let's draw her hands. Look, she's holding her face like this, so sweet. Next, I'll draw her mermaid tail. Wow, she has a beautiful wavy tail. And finally, let's add cat whiskers. This makes her look extra unique. Now, I'll use a black marker to outline everything and make our drawing stand out. Time to color. First, I'll use cream to color her cheeks right under her eyes. Let's paint the seashell on her head orange, so bright and cheerful. Now, I'll add gray to this part. For her mermaid tail, I'll use dark purple to make it magical. And for this part, I'll use light purple. Finally, let's color these bubbles sky blue. They look like they're floating in the water. Our mermaid looks so cute, but wait, I have another surprise for you. We're going to draw a beautiful mermaid. Let's start. First, I'll start with her face. Let's draw her big, sparkling eyes and a sweet little mouth. Next, let's draw her long, flowing hair. It looks like it's floating in the water. Now, let's add her hands and her ornate mermaid tail, so fancy and pretty. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a mermaid? Imagine swimming freely under the sea. Mermaids look so magical and beautiful, don't they? Let's color our mermaid. First, I'll color her cheeks pink. She looks so cute. Next, I'll use dark green for her tail. This tail helps her swim easily under the sea. I'll use the same pink color as before, so bright and fun. Now, let's add light brown to this part. And finally, let's color her skin. Wow, our mermaid drawing is almost done. Great job, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.